Alright, so we've got a 1986 Lincoln Town Car that's been sitting here for about 2 weeks, as you can tell by the debris on the, if you want to get a close-up on that, Mr. Cameraman. Just close up here on the paint and how rough it is, just because of the amount of debris. Yeah, so we're doing a cold start. Oh god, wow, this is much more comfortable than my Subaru. Alright. God, it reminds me of the first time I ever drove it. Huh. God, that's so fucking not Subaru. God, you fucking feel it turning there on your arm?
Yeah, a little bit. You can see some camera movement.
Yes.
By the way, haircut.
God damn it, this isn't a vlog, this is a video.